Hi, Steve Clemens, David Harris, Betty McKenzie. What are you doing today at the Ramsey County Courthouse?
We are 3 of 8 co-defendants who have just begun a trial for trespass during the Republican National Convention. We were part of a Vets for Peace march, and we attempted to carry our message to the Excel Center, not being confined by the iron fences that the city had put up. And so we were charged with trespass. We were basically just doing initial motions. The state offered a motion to try to prevent us from putting into evidence anything about international law or anything about, I carried a letter with me to President Bush, and the state is objecting that these documents about international law in my letter to President Bush are irrelevant to the case. And we contend that they're central to the case, that we believe we had a claim of right under the trespass statute of the Minnesota Code to be on that property, to raise our concerns about the violation of international law, particularly treaties, the United Nations Charter about the legality of the war, the treaty against torture, and also the treaties which make indiscriminate weapons illegal.
Are you charged with a misdemeanor?
We are charged with a misdemeanor, so we face the possibility of 3 months in jail and or a fine in the case if we are convicted.
And I heard a case being mentioned today that was on your side. What was the name of that case and what did it hold?
Well, what we cited in our response to the state's objection to hearing about international law. The Brashan case is a case that the Minnesota Supreme Court had relative to a demonstrator at Honeywell. And the Supreme Court ruled that it's very important that the jury get to hear very detailed testimony about a defendant's intent and their state of mind, and that should go to the relevance about the claim of right in a trespass case. So we're very optimistic that there is appellate court ruling that should insist that we have the right to enter these items and talk about them on the stand as evidence and proof of our that we had a claim of right to be there.
Well, I guess the RNC 8, the other RNC 8, will get their day in court beginning tomorrow, and we will all find out how the judge is going to rule on the relevancy of international law to a misdemeanor charge of trespass at the RNC. Thank you very much.
Thank you.